everyone. Welcome to your workout. Hold on, let me adjust the volume, make sure everybody can hear. I think that's good enough. We're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna be on all fours and do a leg lift, alternating arm and leg lift with a dumbbell if you want. So the right arm and the left leg are gonna go out to the side. Actually, I'll show you from, it's gonna be a leg lift like this, and the arm is gonna come out similarly to the side at a 90-degree angle. So here we go. Ready to coordinate the lifting. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That leg didn't go up quite as high as I wanted it to, but that's okay. I think when you're coordinating movements, it's a little bit harder. All right, let's do the right arm and left leg out to the side. I'm going to turn this way so you can see. And here we go. It's just a flick of the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, hi Chewy, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Gonna feel those pretty good in the glutes tomorrow. Now we're gonna do a side bend exercise from the knees. So just take in your hands. I feel like I've been coughing so much, my rib is bruised on the right side. So we're just gonna bend to the right and come back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I'm gonna go to this side. My son is in the room working on his 3D pen, and the dog is pacing around. Let's do the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good. And then we're gonna do our ski jumper. First, I need to stretch the chest muscles, pulsing back with your elbows and arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And let's do a little head nod here and there. Ow, that hurts, Chewy, stop. Ouch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then left and right. 1, center, 2, center, 3, center, 4, center, 5, center, 6, center, 7, center, 8, center, 9, center, 10, center. And let's do our ski jumpers. So hands behind the head, come up for 1. That's zooming in for no reason. 2, 3, zoom out. There you go. 4, that was my knee cracking. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Oh, it wants to focus on my son. That's okay. Oh, and come down into child's pose. Oh, my shallow breathing. Oh my gosh, the right rib is hurting. All right, we're gonna do the dolphin. These are the booty planks. So you're coming up high into your downward dog and then down into a regular plank. And forearms are to the ground. Doggy tail out of the way. So here you are in your downward dog. You can stretch for just a second. And let's go down for 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Hold for 20 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And press up into your cobra, cobra pose. Catch your breath. This is a good time to rest. You can do a single leg kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up into hovering knees. And so you're just gonna pick your knees up off the floor and then we'll do knee taps. So first we're gonna hold and then we'll do the knee taps. Here we go. Just from a holding position. That's 10. 20. And 30. And let's tap it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Set it down. We're gonna do a thread the needle, just a thread the needle hovering shoulder exercise. So you're coming through and just levitating this arm above the floor for 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switching. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we've just worked our arms and chest and upper body. We'll go ahead and do our side legs just to work the legs a little bit. Oh my gosh, the rib is killing me. All right, Chewy. Let's lower and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's do double leg lift from this position. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. And we're going to take a side kick. So the top leg is just going to swing 90 degrees for 1, 2. You can do it a little bit faster. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's do little circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Take the top leg and stretch it out. Look to one side, the opposite direction of the leg. Get a good shoulder stretch and lower back stretch. All right, carefully come up and let's do the same thing on the left leg. So lowering and lifting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. And take the top leg and let's swing it for a side kick for 1, 2, hey, there's a puppy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. And then we're going to do a little circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the taps. 1, 2, I can't go backwards. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then take the top leg and I'll start coughing again. And then roll the shoulder, look to your opposite side that the knee is facing, and hold for a spine twist. Oh, the struggle is real. Non-stop coughing since last Thursday, and today is Monday. Let's do some abs. If I don't cough, I think I'll be okay. So let's do some abs. Should we stop tearing on my yoga mat? And, oh gosh, that hurts. Let's just do some reaches to the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep going for 50. 30, 40, 50, and then let's reach to do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. Hey, buddy. 20. 30. And 40. 49, 50. And now let's just go down the center. I'm just gonna cross my hands under my rib. Maybe it'll hurt less. Oh no, I'm not gonna be able to do it. I'm just gonna be able to do the sides, and that's all I've got time for. Otherwise I will be in rib pain and coughing a lot more. Oh my goodness, this too shall pass. So have a great day. Take care. Thank you for joining me. Bye.